Hello, welcome to this video where we're going to talk about Pinterest strategy and why you don't see immediate results on this platform. Hi, I'm Michaela. I'm Pinterest manager and Pinterest strategist. I'm here to help you to really show you the potential of this platform, Pinterest, for your business, because you can easily monetize on Pinterest. You can use it to drive traffic to a website or e-commerce store, or you can also find potential customers on this platform. So I'm here to show you this and how you can use the maximum potential of this platform. So let's go back to the video. Very common question, and we are going to talk about it today, and it's about Pinterest strategy and why you don't see immediate results. Now, let's go back to the basics. What is really Pinterest? Pinterest is a visual search engine. I will repeat, it's a visual search engine. What does it mean? Search engine, it's like a search, people basically looking for Pinterest keywords, right? So imagine Google, SEO, or YouTube, for example. These are the common platforms, which are like a long-term platform. Imagine if you're a blogger maybe, or you like writing posts or articles or anything about, maybe you are writing posts for your e-commerce store. The point is, if you write any post, right, for your blog, for example, you're going to put some keywords, you probably research the article, you want to make sure that people are going to search it and find it on Google. But does it happen overnight? Are you going to be on the first page of Google when you write the article, you post it and publish it, and the next night are you going to be on the number 1 page Google? Of course not. It's going to take time, maybe days, weeks, maybe months. Sometimes some of my blog posts takes years, sometimes months, of course, depends on the demand. But it's, of course, not going to happen overnight. And it's the same like on Pinterest. I'm going to show you some of my pins I created some months ago, so it's not that long time ago, but it's for one of my profiles for e-commerce store, Fun Food Travel Gear, where we basically sell travel gear, like any kind of travel gear, like travel cable holder, electronic accessories, or anything like that for your backpacking trip or any kind of travels. So this e-commerce store, I started Pinterest account, I would say summer 2023. So it's maybe a couple of months now. It's over 6 months we have this Pinterest profile, and it's going crazy. But what I want to show you today is these pins, which I posted. One of these I posted on November, so maybe like 3 months after I started this account, and it had amazing results. Okay, so this pin is going to drive and still driving traffic to my e-commerce store. It has over 97 pin clicks, maybe over almost 10,000 impressions. And this pin is constantly showing on Pinterest based on a keyword search. So if you are going to Pinterest and you search for maybe cable holder or any electronic accessories or travel organizer, you're probably going to see my pin at some point, because this pin is optimized, and it's there are also keywords everywhere. You can see it on the pin, on the actual design. You can see it in the title of the pin and the description. And then I drive you to, of course, to my e-commerce store. So this pin was created a couple of months ago, but it's still driving me traffic. Another pin is the same. It's a tactical key holder, right? It's you can use it for any, like, it's like a backpacking gear. It's portable. You can really use it for, let's say, to connect anything when you travel. It's very useful and I really love it. We always use it and when we travel. But the point is, I also put this pin in November. It has great results since then. Almost, again, 10,000 impressions, 82 clicks. So, and this pin, 1 or 2, both of these are really driving the traffic. And they are going to drive more and more traffic based on the demand and based on the search. So again, Pinterest is visual search engine, and it takes months when you are usually successful and your pins are driving traffic to your blog, e-commerce store, or any kind of maybe different platform. But the point is that it's not going to happen again overnight. You're going to put a post, you're going to prepare the pin, it's the same thing. And you're going to consistently adding new and new pins on your Pinterest account. It needs to be optimized. It has the basic of the pin design, some call to action. And of course, in the pin description and pin title should be also optimized. So people can find you when they search on Pinterest, right? One thing is the visual appealing design, and second thing is the keywords. Because when you are having amazing keywords and the design is not so visually appealing for the people, they are not going to click on the pin. On the other hand, if you have amazing, beautiful pins and they are not optimized whatsoever for keywords, nobody's going to find your pins on Pinterest. So it's like a combination, right? Consistency, visually appealing pins, keyword optimized. And then usually it takes a couple of months, I would say at least 3-4 months, to start from zero any business account on Pinterest to see some positive and let's say successful results. All right, it's not like it's going to happen in next day or in next week. So it's a visual search engine, and that's why you don't see immediate results. It's a long-term platform, but this traffic, this pin, let's say, is going to bring you the traffic and the customers over every month, over the years. I have pins, I put it 7 years ago, and they still bring me traffic to my blog. So this is the answer to your question, why you don't really see the immediate results on Pinterest. So this was video about the Pinterest strategy and Pinterest traffic. Follow me for more tips, because I am always going to share my best tips and my experience about this platform. I love Pinterest, and I hope after you watching a few of my videos, you're going to love it too. So follow me here, and I will post new videos every week. See you in the next video.